Well, it's another cold fall day, but there is zero wind, so I'm happy. Got some work done on this. Chris has been poking away at it. Just putting the last bit of strapping up on the roof, and then we'll be able to put the steel on. They're so snoopy. Look at this little hussy parading up and down outside the rooster pen. Where is she? Teasing all the boys. I need a name for this one too. She has the black on all of her feathers, which is kind of interesting. Interesting pattern. Just beautiful. You'll fight with the boys through the fence. You're pretty brave when they can't get to you. We're going to put a couple of perches in the trees back there in the new run, because this only holds about a third of them, and they do like to perch even when they're outside. So we got the roof trusses up yesterday, and then Chris is just getting the strapping on. We got the fascia put on the front of the trusses, and so yeah, now cutting the sheets of steel. This makes it more efficient too. Like Chris always thinks out the size of the building, for whether you're cutting sheets of plywood or whatever, and the sheets of steel roofing are 18 feet, so he wanted it to come down far enough, just far enough that a half a sheet, which is 9 feet, is perfect for the roof. So then we only have to cut the steel roofing in half to make 9-foot sheets, and that makes it a lot more quick and efficient. Cut the fascia for the other side, and then all the fascia's on. There's my one single speckled Sussex hen. The whole reason I ordered chickens this year was to get these guys, and I got one. And then all of this. I can't believe we're doing this for roosters. So we've brought a sheet of the steel roofing over here. We've double checked our measurements. We're gonna... Oh, Fred, please. We are gonna cut them right in half. There's no waste, and we'll have a nice bit of overhang. Fortunately, we only need to cut 3 of these sheets to get the whole roof done. So Chris is just pre-drilling the holes like he did when we did the greenhouse, and that makes it a lot easier to screw the roof on once you're up there. The steel's hitting against that white wood. So, and we want it to come this way and overhang a bit. So Chris is going to nip that corner off. So we have a little more overhang. So the first two are already screwed in place. Chris is cutting another sheet. So this will be 2/3 of the roof then. With this sheet. Piece, and then the end one we will have to rip it to width. Now, since it is such a chilly day and I had the wood stove going anyway, as usual I am going to cook supper in here. These are our own chicken breasts. I have it stuffed with cream cheese, green onions, salt and pepper, and mushrooms, wrapped in bacon. And it is an awesome keto meal. It's not the recipe. We made one before that was stuffed with mushrooms. I can't find it. It's probably in one of my keto books. But anyway, I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this. And these are so big, we will probably only be able to split one, so we'll have dinner for tomorrow. And again, it just doesn't make sense to even turn the oven on, use more propane when the wood stove is going. So let's just see what the temperature's at. While I was getting them ready to go in the oven, I closed the door. So I opened the flue because I had the water running. And these buildings, that's the only issue we've come up with the tiny house, is they are so airtight. When you turn the instant hot water on, it sucks all the smoke out of the wood stove. So I have the flue open. It'll get hotter. So even with the flue open, it's at 325, just perfect for putting these chicken breasts in the oven. Now I will have to watch it, because now that I have closed the flue, all the heat is going to go in here and it'll skyrocket to 450 in no time. I'm learning. It's taken me a few times, but I've done that a few times. I go close the flue, put something in the oven, it skyrockets to 450 or 500 degrees and burns the crap out of everything. So I'm going to put my chicken breasts in the oven. And oh, these look so good. And I also, I came out here this morning and was doing dishes, so I boiled my eggs on the stove this morning. So I will keep an eye on that temperature. I've got to start looking at the time too, because I will have to keep an eye on those. I don't want them all dried out and crusty, so I'll see what time it is. Oh, my phone went off. What was it? 5:55, 5:56. So I'll see how long this takes to cook these breasts, but I will have to keep an eye on them. I am having to do the dishes out here, which is a total pain in the butt. I need to get some eggs in the freeze dryer trays. Oh, I got so many little things I want to do. Yummy. Time to eat.